Alright, so it looked like a lot of people were interested in the Cybertruck video I did, so I decided I'd go back, watch a bunch of videos on the Cybertruck, and see if there was anything else I could find that people might have missed or weren't really talking about. So here it is. Okay, so the first thing I noticed was about a month or two back in April, they came out with this thing called Cheetah Stance. So that wasn't around when the Cybertruck was released. So if the numbers they gave for the 0 to 60 times weren't taking this into account, then the 0 to 60 times for the Cybertruck should actually go down. So it'll be faster. Alright, so now I'm going to talk about the lighting. The light bar at the top, I believe that's not really legal to be driving around with. And then also the bar that runs across the middle, it might not be legal. So if you notice in the other videos, you'll see that during the day it just has the little side headlights on and then maybe the fog lights. And then at night you can see the lights just get brighter. On the back of the truck, you can see that the light bar has actually three separate areas that are brighter. And then in the bottom corners, there's two red, I don't know if those are reflectors or LEDs as well, lights. Um, but as you can see, it changes when you brake or maybe when you're backing up. And then as you can see, there's three dots in the middle and then two dots to the outer edges. So those would most likely be for turn signals, and maybe when it backs up, it'll turn different colors. Now, most people that have been following the Cybertruck probably know this already, but the dash is made of some paper material. It's most likely going to be coated with something because if it's used as a work truck, it's going to get really dirty and gross when people like handle grease and dirt and power tools. Um, so I'm not sure how this will work for airbags. Maybe since it's made of paper, the airbag will just punch through it, but I'm hoping the surface will be solid enough that you can actually use it as a work surface. Um, and then there's also the backup camera. They don't have a mirror there because the tonneau cover kind of blocks it if it's closed or if it's not fully opened. So that if I'm pretty sure everyone knows that as well, that the rear view mirror is actually a camera. I didn't notice any what are those? Those shade things that come down. So I'm not sure how they'll handle that, but we'll see when they come out with the truck. So one feature that might come in handy that people haven't really talked about is how the tailgate can come down while the tonneau cover's completely closed. If you have some taller items that are tall enough to fit under the higher side, then you can actually have the cover down and it'll prevent those items from flying out. And then also you can put longer things in there, or if you want, you can sleep in there and then kind of just have an open area just for your head. Um, and you can find lots of uses for that kind of thing. So here's something that nobody's been talking about as far as off-roading goes, but with gas cars, as you can see, there's the differential here that it sticks down further than halfway from the wheel. So even though you have like high ground clearance with the body of the car, you're still going to have that differential that's sticking down. So if you're driving over rocks and things, that can hit and get damaged. I don't really off-road myself, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. But as you can see on the Cybertruck, it's completely flat. I'm not sure how it handles with the differential and things like that because I couldn't find any pictures of how the wheels are connected and how they're being turned. But every picture I've seen, you can see that it's completely flat. I'm pretty sure that Tesla is going to put some kind of armor on the bottom of the Cybertruck because this is known that it's going to be used for off-roading, and they don't want their battery packs to be punctured and or damaged and all of a sudden start burning up and blowing up. Um, so here's some other pictures. I tried to get as many views as I could. Here you can see these are the fog lights, and then you can see underneath the truck it's really smooth and flat. And yeah, But that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video got gave you some new information that you didn't know. But yeah, if you like these videos and you want me to make more of these, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll try and see if I can pump out more. But most of the information, it's kind of just repeated from other people, so I'm trying to avoid doing that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.